So in this video, you'll learn how to enable the roaming clock on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. Under Lock Screen, look for the roaming clock and tap on it. Then the first step is to just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Once it's been turned on, you'll then be prompted to change the region and time zone if you desire. So if your current roaming clock region should be your current location as well as the time zone, but if you want to change it to something different, you're going to just select region. And then you can choose to search for the region, or you can just scroll through the options listed and find your preferred region. Then once you've selected it, you should see the time zone also changing to suit that specific region that you have chosen. You'll also notice that if you choose a region that has multiple time zones, so say for example you choose a region such as Brazil or Australia or even America, you'll be prompted to choose the time zone that you want. So select your preferred time zone, then you can see the region and time zone have been successfully changed. If you want to change the home time zone for a region that has multiple, you'll have to go back and select the same region as your preferred region, and then now you can choose another time zone. And so that's how you can enable the roaming clock on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.